students, today we are doing what are adverbs. The tortoise is walking slowly. So how is the tortoise walking? Slowly. The dog is running fast. How is the dog running? Fast. The girl is writing neatly. So there is a girl who is writing neatly. So how is the girl writing? Neatly. And in the next clip, there are some children who are walking carefully. How are the children walking? Carefully. In this photo, you can see that there is a child who is speaking loudly. Here you can see that there is a place and we can frame a sentence, Mr. Kapoor lives upstairs. So the words which add something to the verbs are called adverbs. Walk carefully, run fast, carefully and fast are adverbs. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.